Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Alexa and we are in the middle of eyeshadow palette week. If you don't know what this is, basically for an entire week, every single upload that goes on my channel is going to be using one eyeshadow palette. And this week it is the Sydney Grace Enduring Love eyeshadow palette. I've already done a look this week using this palette, so if you haven't seen that, definitely check out that video as well. That one was a lot more colorful, but today I wanted to play with more smoky tones. The shade Deanna in this palette just instantly grabbed my attention. It's such a cool color, and then I mixed in the other kind of smokier gray shades. I even used one of the like brighter kind of silvery colors, and this is the look that I came up with. I'm having so much fun with this palette. It's so versatile, and I hope y'all are enjoying these videos as well. So as always, make sure you grab a drink, grab a snack, grab something to enjoy while you watch this video. You can grab your makeup if you want to do your makeup along with me. If you have the Enduring Love eyeshadow palette, grab that palette and you can do whatever look you want. You don't have to do what I'm doing, but you can play with this palette as well. So cheers, and let's get into day 2 of the Sydney Grace Enduring Love eyeshadow palette. All right, so per usual, I already have my base on. I've got a bit of foundation, concealer, powder, and some bronzer, and we'll finish off the face after we do the eyes. So like every other video we're doing this week, we're going to be using the Sydney Grace Enduring Love eyeshadow palette. If you did not see my previous video, definitely check that out. So today I wanted to focus on some of these more smoky colors. Like I love the shade Deanna and John, and even like Albert. It's a really pretty silver color. And then maybe Boaz, I thought would be cool. Robert. So I kind of want to stay in that realm and do something kind of smoky, definitely darker, richer. Okay, so I'm going to just dip this kind of smaller brush into Deanna. I just prepped my eyes with a little bit of concealer and powder. Okay, and I'm just going to start pressing this right at the lash line. And I am doing a bit of laundry right now, so I'm sorry if you can hear that. Hopefully my mic is not picking that up too much. All right, and then I'm just gonna wipe my brush on my towel in front of me, kind of clean off a lot of that eyeshadow, and then start bringing this upward onto the lid. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. It's very like roaring 20s Art Deco. I love it. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm starting a little soft and a little more conservative because I just don't know exactly what I want to do. I may end up just throwing this all over the lid, but I just want to start soft and light, and then we can always add more. These eyeshadows are so pigmented, it's insane. All right, I'm gonna take a fluffy brush with nothing on it. Just blend along that eyeshadow. All right, for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with some black eyeliner, and I'm gonna use this in my waterline as well as on the lash line. I'm gonna go in with that same small brush and just blend that out a bit. Okay, and then we're gonna go back in with Deanna. Same brush, and I'm gonna pop that right on top of that black liner. I'm thinking I should have done the black eyeliner on the upper lash line as well, but that's okay. Again, just going in with that clean, fluffy brush just to help blend that out a bit. All right, I'm gonna go in with that black pencil and take that on my upper lash line as well. And then I'm gonna go back in with Deanna and push that on top of the liner. All right, with my fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna go in to the shade Robert. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna take a mixture of Robert and Cherish, so these two together. And I'm gonna slowly work that through my crease and up to my brow. I'm gonna take a little bit of that same combination on my lower lash line. All right, I want more Deanna. I want more of this shade on my lid. So I'm gonna go back in with that shade and pop that more so on my lid space. Just, I'm craving more of this color. It's so pretty. And then this time I'm only going to take the shade Cherish to blend that out. Now I do want to incorporate a little bit of the shade Boaz. So I'm going to get an even smaller brush. And I'm going to dip into Boaz, which is a matte, looks to be like a matte charcoal gray. And I'm going to focus this on the outer corner of my lash line. Just kind of add some more depth there. I'm going to do it on the lower lash line as well. Right in this little C shape. And again, just go in with my fluffy brush. Oof, got a little carried away there. That's okay. We'll fix that. I'm going to go in with the brush that I used to set my face. Try and just get a little bit of that off of there. Oof. All right. And then I'm going to go in with a bit of concealer, just a dot. And it doesn't have to be perfect because I do want this to be pretty smoky, but I don't want it to look like it's just falling down my face. And then my favorite N14 brush. Use that to clean this up a bit. All right, and then I'm just going to take a little bit of translucent powder and set down that concealer. And once we apply blush and everything, it'll kind of come together. I'm not too concerned. All right, I'm just gonna take a little bit more Boaz, that charcoal gray color, just on this outer corner, just to deepen that up a bit more. All right, so that's what we have so far. I did want to incorporate a little bit of John as well. It's quite a bit brighter. Wow, that is crazy. It's quite a bit brighter than Deanna, so that's Deanna. This is John, like very much brighter. I was thinking maybe just very lightly kind of pressed onto the center. That might be kind of fun. And just gonna kind of blend around it. Ooh, maybe we should take a little bit of that on the lower lash line just for fun. All right, I'm gonna take that same John shade. I'm gonna pick it up on a smaller brush. This is a BK Beauty 209. Just pop that right in the center. Do a spotlight eye. All right, I think that's cool. I want to put mascara on and then kind of see how this is looking. I think that looks cool. So let me do mascara and then we'll come back and reassess the eyes. All right, so that is the eyes. I'm going to leave them as is, except I am going to go in with a little bit more of John, which is that really bright shade. And I'm going to pop that on my inner corner. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Passion, which is this. This is the grayish lavender shade that we used in the last look. And I'm going to run that through my upper crease just to help blend this out even more. Yeah, I think this looks really good. I'm going to leave the eyes as is. I do want to go in with a little bit more bronzer. I'm going to take my Candid Naturals Sunkissed bronzer. This brush, this is the BK Beauty 111. This is my new favorite bronzer brush. I love the shape of it. It is so perfect. So this is the brush I've been using for bronzer. And then for blush, I'm just going to use my favorite Kingdom blush in Desert Rose. Oh, I just hit pan on this blush. Look at that. Hit pan. So I've been using this blush since September. I think that's when I got it. Just hit pan. And then I'm going to take a little bit of my powder foundation and I'm going to use this to prep my lips for our lip color. And I'm also going to use it to help clean up the under eye. A little on the forehead. And then for the lip, I'm going to start with Comeback Season from Elevate. And I know I use the same lip pencils, but I'm going to do Mom Era as well, just to mix that in. And then I'm actually going to use the RMS Lip to Cheek in Crystal Slipper. This is one of my favorite kind of pale, nudie, slightly frosty colors. I love using this on the cheeks as well, which actually maybe I'll add some on the cheeks too. But I love this color on the lips. And then I'm gonna take Crystal Slipper on the cheeks as well. All right, and then I'm gonna spray everything down with my Divine Oasis spray from Christian Beauty Company. All right, guys, I think that is it. I feel like the look is complete. I love that color Deanna. It's so pretty. It's like, it gives me Gatsby, like art deco. That's kind of the look that it gives me. It's so pretty. I love it paired with Boaz. So Boaz, Deanna, and Robert. That's like the perfect little smoky eye trio just right in there. Love that. And then you can use some of these lighter colors to help blend. I hope y'all enjoyed this look. I hope y'all are enjoying eyeshadow palette week. I will have at least one more video using the Enduring Love eyeshadow palette up this week. If not, maybe another one. I don't know. We'll see how much time I have. But I'm just having so much fun with this. And again, if you haven't seen my last video, definitely check that out because I do a little bit more of a colorful look. But this has been so much fun. I hope y'all are enjoying as well. Thank you so much for being here with me today as always. Remember, I love you. God so loves you. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.